Today we are testing the US dollar against the Swiss franc to June 2025. The Swiss franc has proven problematic since 2015, especially when it caused a financial quake in the forex market in January this year, affecting the fortunes of many brokers. This event makes it clear that diversification in trading is essential. The market can only move in three directions. It can go up, down, or sideways. This variability can lead to an account posting profits for 11 months, only to experience a losing phase in the 12th month. If you would like to test this expert advisor yourself, you can easily reach the email address on the website. The system is designed to be used on demo accounts or sent accounts after extensive testing. There are no functional restrictions, which means that each user should act responsibly and carefully to minimize potential risks. With automated systems, it is possible to make hundreds or even thousands of trades in a matter of minutes. I have tested numerous entry signals in the past and many of them worked, but you will get the best results if you are careful when choosing strategies. I myself have decided to stop trading Swiss francs and redirect capital to other currency pairs. Even though I initially thought this made sense, I realized that every currency has its challenges. One of the key factors in trading is risk. It is important to remain realistic and be aware that profit in trading is never guaranteed. Even the biggest banks sometimes can't predict what will happen. While the results of past years are helpful, it remains the human handling of emotions and uncertainties that often has a negative influence. Algorithmic trading systems, on the other hand, trade strictly according to the programmed algorithm without being influenced by human emotions. In addition, you should consider trading different currency pairs in order to diversify risks. For example, a volatile movement in one currency pair can be offset by the stability of another. It is also important to choose a broker that offers reliable execution, as this contributes to the stability of your trading account. Overall, trading the US dollar against the Swiss franc is a challenge that can be tackled with the right expert advisor and careful testing on demo accounts or sent accounts. Be sure to manage your capital responsibly and review your strategy regularly. This way you can significantly increase the probability of profitable trading.